Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. To introduce tutorial viewers, how can you fix your turn on this line activation which is stuck on Verizon? So here's a guide for eSIM, SIM and account sync. Fix one, test for a Verizon network outage. Before troubleshooting your phone, make sure there isn't a Verizon outage affecting activation in your area. If there is, you can wait until service is restored. Fix 2. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Check if activation completes automatically. Fix 3. You need to verify your SIM card or eSIM. So physical SIM is for that you need to remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage and reinsert it securely and restart the phone. For eSIM, you can go to settings, select cellular or mobile network and confirm the eSIM is installed and enabled. Fix 4. Connect to a stable network. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If possible, turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off to refresh the cellular connection. Fix 5. Check for software updates. Open settings, go to software update or system update, install any available updates and restart your phone after the update. Fix 6. Try activating through My Verizon. Open the My Verizon app or sign in on the Verizon website. Go to Devices or Manage Device. Follow the prompts to activate your phone or line again. Fix 7. Reset network settings. For iPhone, you can go to Settings, select General, and then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then go to Reset Network Settings. For Android, go to Settings, select System, and then go to Reset option. Select Reset Wi-Fi and Mobile and Bluetooth. Fix 8. You need to check your Verizon account. Your new phone is correctly associated with your line. The activation request has completed and your account is active and is in good standing. Fix 9. You contact your Verizon support. If the turn on this line screen still doesn't go away, contact your Verizon support. They can reprovision your SIM or eSIM, verify the device INEI is correctly registered, complete the activation from their end, replace a faulty SIM card if necessary. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also don't forget the subscribe button.